Hello guys, in today's video I am gonna show you how to delete Safari browsing history from your iPhone. Make sure to like and subscribe for more of this type of content. So first of all you have to do is that click on Safari on your iPhone, then you can see 4 to 5 options here and you have to click on the bookmark on your iPhone. So simply just tap onto it, then you can see the 3 options it's showing, or you can see 3 icons. You have to click on this clock button like here and just simply tap on it, and now you can see that the clear option is here. You have to tap to clear, and now you can clear your browsing history. And if you want to set time from when you want to delete your browsing history, like today or yesterday or all of the browsing history, then click on it and then simply click on clear history, and now your browsing history completely deleted. Make sure to like and subscribe for more of this type of contents. Goodbye.